We are leading the way today with the India Association of San Antonio. IASA, established in 1978 to help unite various Indian cultural associations and groups. We project a common identity based on Indian heritage and celebrate unity and diversity. They provide a platform for all Indian cultural associations, groups, and individuals to exhibit and showcase their art. IASA is proud to act as a bridge between both India and San Antonio cultures. This year's float celebrates India Gate, as you can see at the back of their float. India Gate is a majestic war memorial located in New Delhi, built to honor the soldiers of the British Indian Army who died during World War I and the Third Anglo-Afghan War. Designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens, the 42-meter-high sandstone arch resembles the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. The monument bears the names of over 13,000 fallen soldiers and stands as a symbol of sacrifice and national pride. Beneath the arch burns the Amar Jawan Jyoti, an eternal flame added in 1970